guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Today, I'm going to show you how to program and erase these little remotes for a 2010 Toyota Sienna. This is going to be very similar or the same for your car or SUV. This job is something that the X431 Pro Elite can do, and I get a lot of asking of questions on my other videos on the X431 series of tools. Hey, can I do this? Can I do that? This hopefully will clear that up for you. In another video, I showed you how to program keys, and as promised, we're going to do fobs today. So we are going to go into local diagnose on this vehicle. We have an Asian car here. This is a Toyota, so we're going to click on that, and we're going to get into that system, and I'll go through this with you. Hopefully, I'll do it twice if I can, and I just want to make sure that this records pretty well. All right, we're in North America, so we'll go ahead and click that. By the way, I don't know if you noticed this, but it's like 5 degrees right now. That is snow. And that is snow, and we got about 2 feet of snow here, so this is kind of fun. My feet are frozen. Oh no, it does have laser cruise, it does have a memory seat, and it does have vehicle traction control, all of which are very useful right now. All right, so we're going into vehicle data, and what we're going to want to do here is service function. You can go into it by checking into the individual program module, but service function brings up all of the things you're going to want to play with when it comes to keys. So it's just easier to go ahead and do that right from the start. And this is just a generic remote that I picked up from Amazon. These were like 12 bucks each. I think I paid 24 with free shipping for the pair. But the vehicle here, it does not have any remotes. They've lost them all. So we're going to go ahead and program those in and get rid of any, because you're allowed 3 remotes. And since they don't have any existing remotes, we're going to blow away the old remotes and give them 2 brand new ones here. All right, and what we're doing here is immobilizer / key programming. There's some other stuff you can obviously do. I could calibrate the seats, but this is what we're playing with today. The first thing we're going to want to do, we want to get rid of the other transponder codes that are in the system. This erases all transponder codes registered except wireless code. I'm sorry, almost got screwed that up. For transmitter or door control, right? So we're going to replace the codes and register new codes only. Function will delete all registered wireless remotes except for the one you were using. Ignition is on. Driver's door is open. All other doors are closed. Driver's door is unlocked. Registration will fail if the time limit passes. It's communicating. Number of remotes currently registered is 3. We got to get rid of those. On the next screen, you'll have to perform the following within 30 seconds. On the remote transmitter, push lock and unlock simultaneously for 1 second. Within 3 seconds, press either the lock or unlock button again. Hear it beep. Wireless code erasure is complete. Now we're going to register a code. We're going to register a brand new one. All right, ignition is on, driver's door is open, other doors are unlocked. And I can't do this together, but current of registered codes is just 1. Okay. Lock and unlock simultaneously, so I'm going to press both those buttons at the same time, and then I'm going to press one of these 2. Ready? Hitting both buttons. Hear it beep? I hope you did. Okay, and to do another one, we're going to register a second one here. I wish I could press them at the same time here on camera. I'll try, okay? We're going to hit OK. It's telling us the same stuff. Okay. Doors open. I'm pressing both. Then I'm pressing 1. And that's it. We're going to hit cancel and get out of this. Now let's see if it works. Ta-da! And that's it. That's how easy it is to program transponders for your Toyota, and I'm sure other car manufacturers have a very similar thing. Doesn't matter if it's slightly different or even majorly different. The program here, the Launch X431 Elite Pro here, is going to walk you through it step by step. So I hope that was helpful to you, and if you like this video, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing. I do a lot of older and new content on the same channel here, and I know that sometimes throws off the algorithm, but there's always something that needs fixing here on the farm. Hope you'll join me for the next. Take care.